Hey Sam, what do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have toast and eggs, and I drink orange juice. How many slices of toast do you eat? I usually eat two slices. Do you eat eggs every day? Yes, I do. I eat one egg every morning. What about you? I usually have parathas and curd. How many parathas do you eat? Two small ones. Do you eat curd with them? Yes, I do. I always have a small bowl of curd. How much curd do you eat? Just about half a cup. Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning? No, I don't. I only drink orange juice. How about you? I drink one cup of tea every morning. Do you eat any fruits for breakfast? Yes, I usually eat a banana. Do you eat fruits in the morning? Sometimes I usually have an apple or a banana, but just one. Do you eat anything sweet like jam or honey with your toast? Yes, sometimes I put jam on it. Do you eat anything sweet? Not really. I prefer salty breakfast. Wow, we have quite a different breakfast. Yes, but both sounds healthy. Maybe we can try each other's breakfast sometime. That's a fun idea.